Trigonometry. Today we will start trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So we draw a right angle triangle A B C. A B C, right angle triangle at B. Here it is given A plus C is equal to 90 डिग्री. इन दोनों एंगल का एडिशन किसके बराबर होगा? 90 का. तो कंप्लीट एंगल कितना हो जाएगा ट्रायंगल का? 180. नाउ सी हियर एंगल A, एंगल C. नाउ what is sin A? If I take angle sin A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? Side opposite to the angle A, that is BC upon AC. What is cos A? Base upon hypotenuse. This is perpendicular and this is base. AB upon AC. And what is tan A? Tan A is what? Tan A is P upon B. Is BC upon AB. BC upon AB. So this is sin A, cos A, tan A. We know that A plus C, angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degree. Here angle C is equal to what? A को उधर ले जाएंगे 90 minus A. Okay. Now I will find the values of angle sin C. What is sin C? Sin C is, now this is perpendicular. AB upon hypotenuse is same AC. Now instead of sin C, what you write? Sin C की जगह रख देंगे 90 minus A. Because it is given C किसके बराबर है? 90 minus A. So it is AB upon AC. Similarly cos C. Cos C is base upon hypotenuse. What is base? This is perpendicular, so base is BC. BC is base, hypotenuse is same. C की जगह क्या रख देंगे? cos 90 minus A. BC upon AC. Now what is tan? Tan C is P upon B. What is P? P is, that is C. AB upon what is base? BC. So tan C की जगह आप क्या रख दोगे? 90 minus A is equal to AB upon BC. Now give the name of the equation C. This is equation 1, 2, 3. This you give 4, 5 and 6. Now you use the relations C. B upon C, put the value of BC upon AC. क्या हो जाएगा? BC upon AC from equation 1 and 5. From 1 and 5 we get, या इधर रख दीजिए, from 1 and 5 we get cos 90 minus A is equal to sin A. Now cos A is AB upon AC, and where is AB upon AC? This. Now from 2 and now this and this is same AB upon AC, AB upon AC. इस AB upon AC की जगह क्या लिख सकते हैं? cos. From 2 and 4 we get sin 90 minus A is equal to cos A. Now what is left? Now this is left, tan BC upon AC. This is BC upon AC. Where is BC upon AC? This is third and this is third. This is tan BC upon AC. This is tan A upon this, tan C this, AB upon BC. Where it is AB upon tan C कितना होता है? AB upon BC. Now see here it is AB upon BC और here it is BC upon AB. So we know that instead इसको अपन क्या लिख सकते हैं, cot A is equal to रेसिप्रोकल कर दीजिए AB upon BC, AB upon BC. Now see, this is AB upon BC, this is AB upon BC. Now from third and sixth we get cot A tan 90 minus A is equal to AB upon BC किसके बराबर हो गया, cot A. Now this is the formula cos 90 minus A sin 90 minus A cos A, tan 90 minus A cot A. Other three formulas are there. I will write it here. Now this is one formula, second formula and third formula. Now sec 90 minus A is cosec A, cosec 90 minus A is sin A, and cot 90 minus A is tan A. Exercise 8.2. Question first. Evaluate. I will first part sin 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. There are 18 degree and 72 degree. One angle I will change in terms of 90. See here, instead of 18 we can write 90 minus 72. इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा, 18 ही आएगा. तो 18 की जगह अपन क्या लिख देंगे, sin this 18, instead of 18 you can write 90 minus 72 upon cos 72. We know that sin 90 minus A is equal to क्या होता है, cos A. तो here A is what? Here A is what? Here A is 72. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, cos 72 upon cos 72. This will cancel out same degree. So it gives 1. Now another question of this type. Now I will do third part. Cos 48 minus sin 42. Evaluate it. See here, either you change 48 in terms of 90, either you change 42. दो में से एक चेंज करना है, anyone you can change. If I change this, so it becomes 42 को आप क्या लिख सकते हैं, 90 minus 48. Instead of 42 you can write 90 minus 48. So cos 48 minus sin 90 minus 48. You know this formula, sin 90 minus A is equal to cos A. क्या हो जाता है, sin का क्या हो गया, cos, और एंगल सेम रहा. इधर एंगल क्या है, इधर A क्या है, 48. So it is cos 48 minus cos 48. This will cancel out and you will get 0. Now I will take other question. That is question number 4, second. So that prove करना है, number 1, tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree, tan 67 degree is equal to 1. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. prove करनी 48, 23, 42 and 67. किसी एक को 90 में चेंज कर देंगे, या तो 48, 23 को कर दो या 42, 67 को कर दो. अगर मैं 42 लेफ्ट राइट हैंड साइड लेता हूं, tan 48, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree, tan 67 degree. Now I change 42 and 67 in terms of 90. 42 को आप लिख सकते हो 90 minus 48 डिग्री, और 67 को आप लिख सकते हैं 90 minus 23 degree. So change it, tan 48, tan 23, tan 42 को हटा के क्या लिख देंगे 90 माइनस 48. नाउ tan 63 को हटा के क्या लिखेंगे tan 90 minus 23. We know that formula tan 90 minus a is equal to क्या होता है cot a. a सेम रहेगा, tan का क्या हो जाएगा cot. So we apply this formula tan 48, tan 23, tan 90 minus a क्या होएगा cot a क्या है 48, cot 23. Now see, you can write either you can tan 48, tan 23. Reciprocal of cot is 1 upon tan. रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे तो cot का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा 1 upon tan. सो इसको लिख दीजिए a हो जाएगा 48, it is 10 और it is also 1 upon tan 23. So we see that tan 48 cancelled out, कट हो जाएंगे tan 23 कट. This is 1, this is right hand side. So this I prove. I will take another question of this type. एक और समझाते हैं. I love this. Second part, cos 38, cos 52 minus sin 38, sin 52. इसको क्या प्रूव करना है 0. You have to prove 0. I will take left hand side cos 38, cos 52 minus sin 38, sin 52. Now see here, you have to change the angles. इधर आप 52 है, इसको चेंज कर दीजिए 52 in terms of 90 minus 52 करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा साइन आ जाएगा. और इधर किसी एक को चेंज कर दीजिए तो I will change 52 here. Instead of 52 you can write 90 minus 38 और 38 की जगह आप क्या लिख सकते हैं 90 minus 52. So I will change here this and change here this. Now see, cos 38, cos 52 की जगह आप लिख दीजिए 90 minus 38 minus sin 90 minus 38 की जगह 90 minus 52 sin 52. Now see here, angle is different हो रहे हैं, कटेंगे नहीं तो same angle you have to change. Same angle you have to change. See here, you have to change same angle. 52 ही चेंज करेंगे इधर भी तो sin 38 इधर कर दीजिए sin 90 minus 38. Now see here, cos 38, cos 90 minus a. What is cos 90 minus a is sin a, and sin 90 minus a is cos a. Angle is same, only sin का cos, cos का sin. So it is sin 38, cos 90 minus a minus sin 38. So it is cos 38. So it is into 2 into 3, 3 into 1, 3 into 2 into 3, 3 into 2, 6 ही होता है, सेम ही रहेगा, मल्टीप्लिकेशन है. cos 38, sin 38, sin 38, cos 38 are same. So this will cut out, you will get 0. This is right hand side. In this way you can prove. Any doubt? Question third, if tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, where 2a is acute angle, जो 2a है वो क्या होगा acute angle, and find a. So we know that this formula cot 90 minus a, cot 90 minus a is equal to tan a. तो इधर a की जगह क्या है? Here a is equal to 2 है. So we can use the formula. This is the question. Tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. Instead of 2a, instead of this you can write cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, or you can say that cot cancel out. You will get दोनों तरफ cot a हट जाएंगे. 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. So 90 minus 18, 90 plus 18 is equal to a plus 2a. ये इधर आ गया, ये उधर चला गया. तो 108 is equal to 3a. So a is equal to 108 upon 3. This will cancel. 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are. A is 36 degree and 2a is 2 into 36 is equal to 72 degree. That is acute angle. Acute angle. Now another question. Question 4. Question number 4. If tan A is equal to cot B, prove A plus B is equal to 90 degree. So you have to use formula in this. Tan A is given to you cot B. This is given. You can use either you can change this, either you can change this. So you can change any, you can change cot A is equal to tan 90 minus A. Cot A is equal to tan 90 minus A. So I will change this. Instead of this tan A, instead of cot, I will use this formula. Tan A की जगह इधर क्या है? Instead of A is B. Tan 90 minus B. So tan cancel out. It is A is equal to tan 90 minus B. B को इधर ले आइए तो A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Now I will take question number 5. If sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20, where 4a is acute. इधर 4a क्या है? Acute angle है. Acute angle. And find क्या करना है? A. Find A. Now, instead of, we know that cosec, we know that sec 4a is equal to cosec, sec a is equal to cosec 90 minus a. Sec a is equal to cosec 90 minus a. Instead of this, you can write cosec 90 minus 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20. Cosec cancel out. 90 minus 4a is equal to a minus 20. Now 20 will come this side. 90 plus 20 and a plus 4a is equal to 110 is equal to 5a. 5a. So this will cancel out and 22. This implies a is equal to 22 and 4a is equal to 4 into 22 is equal to 88. So it is acute angle. It is acute angle. Now I will take question number 6 and it is important question. Question number 6. See on the board. It is important question from examination point of view. Question 6. If ABC are interior angle of triangle ABC, प्रूव करना है sin B plus C upon 2 is equal to cos A by 2. Now see here, it is interior angle of triangle. This is triangle ABC. This is interior angle. We know that sum of interior angle is, we know sum of interior angle A plus angle B, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. That is angle sum property. Now we need here B and C, so B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. In mathematics you divide both the equation by the same upon 2 आ रहा है, so we will divide it by 2. So it becomes, or you can say that B plus C you can write in this way, और इसको अलग अलग करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा 180 upon 2 minus angle A upon 2. This will cancel out 90, so it becomes 90 minus A by 2. So taking sine on both sides, taking sine on both sides, sine B plus C upon 2 is equal to sine 90 minus A by 2. So you will get sine 90 minus A is cos A by 2. So this you will prove it sine B plus C upon 2. Okay. And other method is, if you instead of B plus C, or अगर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड क्या दी हुई है, another method sin B plus C upon 2 is the left hand side. B plus C क्या हो जाएगा, here अपन write B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. So you will write sin B plus C की जगह आप क्या लिख देंगे 180 minus A upon 2. So you will get sin 90 minus A by 2. So this is cos, use formula sin 90 minus A is cos A. Cos A, this is right, cos A by 2. This is right hand side. This is other method. Here you take sin on both side. Here you will change B plus C की जगह आप क्या लिख देंगे 100. Any method you can use.